Okay. So
What should be the flow rate?
actually,
Default flow rate for
it's 100. Yeah, because I speed up because of our training. Yeah. So okay, what is going on now? This is the patient,
Yes.
and then
So
no, you need to explain to us
yes.
from the
What is-
patient, right?
Yes. That's patient. So from artery.
Yeah, the blood is from arterial.
Yes. Going to here. So blood pump. Then go arterial chamber.
Yep.
Then to the dialyzer.
Yep.
Then from output is here. It's going to venous. Then
Yeah.
from blood leak detector. Sorry, not for optical detector.
Okay.
Then
So
going for
yeah, this is optical detector.
yes.
Yeah. So what about this?
Bubble catcher.
Bubble catcher with
Air venous chamber bubble catcher. Yes.
air detector.
Yeah. And it's the
Yeah.
function is actually to detect the air.
Yes. Okay. You can find the paper. Oh, this is the paper, right? To do the simulation. To tell the machine, oh, you are in blood. Okay. Okay. What is going now? The machine know you have connected the patient, right?
Yes.
So you can start to change.
Anticoagulation. So you're asking for heparin.
Yes, there's no anticoagulation yet. Okay, we'll do this later. So after 10 minutes, the machine will pop up a message. So at that time, because this is wet, that's why you need to remove the water here. So I can help you. But in the view situation, do I need to do this?
No.
No.
Actually, in for demonstration, we have.
I need to change the.
Yes. So can you open this? Either this for me, either because I need to remove the air, and then there's something out. Step by step.
Fix this.
Yeah, you can. I hope it's soft. Okay. Yeah, soft. Okay. First. Pass the skill test.
I think
still
still
long to go. Yeah, still a lot to do. Yeah. Okay. So this is all pressure, right? So can you change to the P filter only? Pressure. Yeah, P filter pressure only.
You will see the pre-pressure filter only or
Yeah.
change?
I need to see.
Okay.
Yeah.
Only.
from here.
No, from the graph.
From flow.
Skip, 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 skip.
System parameter. System
treatment ওই যে all pressure
pressure graphics.
yes here filter filter একটা oops skip
And then
আর কি করবেন ওটা দিয়ে ওকে দিয়ে
That is-
চলে আসেন
হুম
skip করে দিয়ে আসেন
one more. Yeah. So what is the important to show the pressure before filter?
pressure before filter
Yeah. What is the importance?
pressure analysis
এটা কি কারণে করতে হবে? প্রি ফিল্টারটা কি জন্য করবো?
pre-filter তো হচ্ছে আপনার এটা সাবস্টিটিউট
Hmm.
pre-filter তো সাবস্টিটিউট
so that's flow
Mm-hmm.
it's related for dialysis and substituting
Okay, let's go back to the pressure first. So, what is this?
venous
Venous pressure
transducer pressure transducer
Okay, so what it is measuring?
the blood which
venous
is the pressure
pressure.
of blood which
Pressure
is through to
From
the patient.
where to where?
from here
Mm-hmm. To
to output is from to this line
no.
Actually,
This is measuring the pressure, the blood from the circuit to the patient.
patients yes
Okay. So what is this?
arterial
Arterial. Okay. What is the purpose? What's the function of arterial?
from patient to arterial
Yeah.
for the pressure
Okay.
necessary
So how about this? What is this?
pre-filter
Filter. So what is the how can it measure the pressure, or what is the purpose?
so difference
Mm-hmm. What is the purpose? So what is the function?
it's come from blood it appears the same
নেগেটিভ
pre-filter means substitute fluid pressure
can you explain
So the pre-filter pressure, right, is measuring the pressure go inside the filter, right? If there's any blood clot inside the filter,
okay
right, and then this is very difficult to let the blood go inside,
okay
and then the pressure will go up. So the importance of this is going to observe the trend.
it goes high there it will show alarm
Yeah, you know, if this go high,
arterial
it will give you a reminder that oh, there's
Yeah.
something
Clotting.
happening.
Yes.
Yeah. So before the TMP go up, you should know that this is part of the TMP.
yes there is a TMP formula so
Yes.
there is it is mentioned
Yes. Okay. So okay, good. Can you adjust the alarm window for arterial pressure? I mean, adjust the alarm limit.
yes yes
For arterial.
yes
Can you move that position? Can you move?
yes yes
Yes.
I can adjust
You can just. How about venous? Can you adjust
yes
the
yes
venous one?
same Yes.
Yes, you can. But why? I can't go down. Why?
It's limit.
This is symmetry.
Okay. This is
This is
asymmetry.
asymmetry. What's the reason of asymmetry?
Venous pressure.
Mm-hmm.
Because if it is the output, to go to the patient.
Mm-hmm.
So
Or in this way. So what is the high priority alarm of this machine? Do you remember? There's only one high priority alarm for this machine at that moment.
venous pressure
Venous pressure too high or too low?
too high.
Too high
Venous pressure too low.
or too high?
Too high.
Yes. Too low. Too low. Because why?
Too low?
Too low.
Yeah, too low.
But venous.
It's drop the blood BP.
No. When the pressure, the venous pressure is too low.
Yes.
This means there's a very high chance because of the disconnection from the patient.
It's a TMP alarm.
No.
Sometimes.
No. I'm saying that.
প্রেশার ওটা ঠিকই আছে, এটা হাই লিমিটে, তো বলছে টু নো।
লো হলে কি হবে? লো কেন
Too low
হবে?
বলছে।
একটাই হাই লিমিট ভেনাস।
Yeah, this is the one I tell you 10 minutes ago, right?
Yes.
Yeah, after around 10 minutes, the machine will give you an alarm. So remind you further, or are you going to low anticoagulant?
Yes.
Right? We'll go to this later, right? I just adjust. So